Hi everyone, welcome back to Mama's Nook for another DIY craft video. If you are new to my channel, I invite you to subscribe and click the bell to be notified when I post a new video. Today's creation will be a charming and very colorful gift idea for Mother's Day. It's quick and easy to put together with just a few items required. I will be using a wood plaque. I think I got it at Dollar Tree. If not, it was another dollar store. A piece of cardboard, which I have cut into a heart shape. Some fabric, buttons, some little wood blocks for spacers, Mod Podge, hot glue, and a heat transfer that I have cut with my Cricut. So the first thing I'm going to do is put the fabric onto the cardboard. I have put a layer of Mod Podge and let it dry. As you can see, it's a box from some chicken strips. Try to repurpose everything I can. Okay, my heat press is set at 15 and I'm just going to press the fabric onto the cardboard. You can do it with a regular iron, just make sure you do not use steam. And it just takes a few seconds. Flip this over and we're going to cut away the excess fabric. Okay, flip it back over to the pressing side. And I'm going to add my little verse. So now I'm going to glue my buttons onto the heart. Okay, that's all the buttons on the heart now. Get rid of some glue strings. Okay, just going to flip this over now. And I'm going to use these little wooden blocks as spacers to raise this off of the wood plaque. So I'm just going to put glue on the little wooden blocks and attach it to the wood plaque. And we'll add a couple of star buttons because moms are stars. And we're done. I hope you enjoyed this video. If so, please give it a like. I would really appreciate your support. Until next time, bye for now.